really starting to take a company.
Oops, I fell. What if I had good footage there if you fell?
I don't want a chance.
Like, it so happens that the day of my life I decide to film, my friend falls to his death. I got all of it on tape. Would you like to watch it too? Buy the unrated DVD version. Yeah, dude, I hate this bridge.
The wood's all fucked up. Looks like termites been chewing on it for about a week.
Alright, dude.
I was getting nervous on this bridge. Even more nervous when I walked on the track.
Well, our destination's up there, so I doubt we'll make it that far.
Dude, you better hold on that motherfucking camera.
Yeah, no, let me tie that shit.
Huh?
I'm tying it. Alright, guys. Dum da dum dum. Dum da dum dum dum.
Andres' car is riding at about 60 miles an hour.
Yeah, they're at least going 75. Don't worry.
75. It's unrealistic, bro. Don't get too close.
Come on. That's what zoom's for. Hey, I could just go over here.
People really went through the trouble to tag this shit.
Yeah, I wouldn't go through trouble tag this shit.
Huh?
I wouldn't do all that. Whoa! I looked down that motherfucking place. Got hella scared. Fuck, there's more cars?
That's a big drop.
Yeah. You all probably shouldn't do this at home.
Ugh. Should never step on stairs.
You're stepping in the pot.
What is that stuff? I hit a loose one.
Lose what? Holy shit, it's like real far apart now. I think I see land. We made it! Woo! I was walking the black stuff.
Fuck that. How's there's like no bums around here running around?
Yeah.
How many times a day do you think the Oakland walk this shit?
I don't know. Not enough.
Not enough.
Did we play back here before?
Huh?
Did we play back here before?
Yeah. Tag or something when we were running through the kids. Eat great and shit. I hate being younger than everybody else. Like after we graduate, you guys can go to Vegas. I can sit my ass home.
So can you.
Y'all can't?
Fake IDs. They grow on trees.
Yes. That's a good point. I don't really look 18 though. I look like I'm 12. I remember two people came inside my shop, right? They looked like they were about my age. And they had their IDs, and I was like, one of them's fake. She's like, yo, I was like the one who didn't use a credit card. She was like, what can I do? It's like, I know that they're young, because first off, they look my age. Second, the one asked for my number, and third, I guarantee they don't finish their shit. And they didn't. They sat there for about an hour listening to their iPods. And then walked out. I didn't understand the entire thing. Right?
seems like a chillax place. Alright. I'm gonna sit there, and you gotta ask me the question. Yeah, I think I'll do the one that makes me laugh. So, I think what makes me laugh are, you probably come up closer.
I'm just zoomed in.
I think what makes me laugh is posers. They're real funny, and people that are fake. Because, you can act like you're this big tough guy, but you're actually just a little pussy.
Poser, a person who pretends to be somebody that he's not.
Yeah. So, I definitely think that's what makes me laugh is people that are fake. Just be yourself and do what you get to do. And for my next thing, watch me.
Did I ever tell you I'm a magician?
How much further are we gonna go on the track?
Well, we walked this far. I don't know where else close that fucking group is. Can you imagine a train coming and we had to like get off of it? Where do we go?
I don't know, but I keep the camera rolling.
Oh, it's like,
Well, we could get off and go on the street from here if you want, but I don't know where the next one is.
what's off the street up here?
I have no idea. We'll take my drink though.
Huh?
We'll take my drink.
You want to sit?
Yeah.
Let's find a place to sit.
All right, well, Captain Log out. We'll be back.